Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on the KuCoin mobile app. First, download the KuCoin app from your app store and register for an account using your email or phone number. It's a quick process. Then, complete your identity verification to unlock higher trading limits and enhance your account's security. This step is crucial for a smooth experience and ensures you can access all features. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency directly using a bank transfer or a credit card, making it easy to get started. Alternatively, if you already own crypto, you can transfer it from another wallet into your KuCoin account. Always double-check that your preferred deposit method is available in your specific region for a hassle-free transaction. Now for the exciting part, buying crypto. Head over to the Buy Crypto section within the app. Here, you'll choose the cryptocurrency you want to acquire, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and select your preferred payment method. Simply enter the amount you wish to purchase, perhaps $100, and confirm your order. The app guides you through each step clearly. After your purchase, you can easily manage your new crypto assets. The app allows you to view your entire portfolio and track the performance of your investments over time. You can also explore advanced features like staking or lending your crypto to potentially earn rewards. When you're ready, withdrawing your funds is a secure and straightforward process within the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.